Join us right now as we show you how to mount and provide power over Ethernet to some Viveroo iPad mounts. Let's check it out.
In this video, we're going to show you how to install a Viveroo mount for your iPad 10.2 and how to provide power and wired data via PoE. Once you've decided on a tablet and chosen the right mount, there's some tools you'll need to get the job done. The PoE adapter we used was the GAF Lightning PD. You'll also need some drywall anchors or screws, a 1/4 inch will work, and don't forget to grab your iPad. For this install, you'll need a bubble level. You can also use an app on your phone, a pencil for marking, a drill with bits and 1-inch hole saw, and a screwdriver. We're assuming the home run cable is already in place, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing Tyler has to do is find the right placement for the mount and measure out where he needs to drill the holes. He also made sure to feed the GAF Lightning PD adapter through the pre-made hole. Once he measured out the screw placement, he's ready to drill through the 3/4 inch MDF. The next step is to secure the mount to the wall, make sure it's level, and make sure it lines up with your GAF Lightning PD adapter. Now you're ready to connect the lightning cable to your iPad and slide it into place on the mount. And you're done! You've successfully installed a Viveroo iPad mount and provided power and data using PoE. Don't forget to check out the Month of Mounts playlist for more install videos.